Hello, Dr. Ely. I'm Zeinab Chahine, Executive Vice President at Casey Family Programs, and it's a pleasure to meet you and an honor to present this award. Our Casey Excellence for Children Leadership Award recognizes leaders who have had a profound impact in improving outcomes for children and families and building communities of hope across America. That is certainly true of Louis Harry Spence, whom we honor with this special posthumous leadership award. Mr. Spence served as commissioner for the Massachusetts Department of Social Services, which is now the Department of Children and Families, from 2001 to 2007. It was one of many change agent roles he undertook in his career of public service. He worked to improve and transform other public systems that impacted the lives of families involved with the child welfare system. In addition to his work as commissioner, Mr. Spence served as a receiver for the Boston Housing Authority and the City of Chelsea, as Deputy Chancellor of New York City's Education Department, and as the first administrator of the Massachusetts Trial Court. As commissioner, Mr. Spence understood that child welfare should not be expected to function in isolation from local communities and other systems. He fostered collaboration between public schools and the state's child serving agencies. Harry developed an innovative team-based model in child protection and that earned national recognition and replication by other systems. He established the agency's first Child Welfare Institute to place professional development as a cornerstone of bringing best practices to everyday work. Mr. Spence understood the importance of listening to those with lived experience, and he created paths for birth parents and youth aging out of foster care to have a voice in policy and practice development. During his tenure as commissioner, Harry partnered with Casey Family Programs to implement strategies aimed at child welfare system transformation in Massachusetts and nationally. I had the privilege of knowing Harry and serving with him as co-lead on a national breakthrough series collaborative on safety and risk for over 18 months during 2008 to 2009. I had the opportunity to see an amazing, visionary, inspirational, and innovative leader in action. We sadly lost Harry a few years ago, but his legacy and impact will continue. On behalf of Casey Family Programs, I'm honored to present this Casey Excellence for Children Leadership Award to Mr. Spence's wife, Professor Robin Ely. We are grateful for his lifetime of service. Professor Ely, I know this is emotional for you, and we appreciate you taking the time to be with us today. And I'll turn it to you if you wanted to say a few words.
Thank you, Zeinab. Of all the jobs, the big jobs that Harry had that you listed, I can say honestly and without a doubt, because he said it many times himself, but his time as commissioner for child welfare in Massachusetts was really the most important and satisfying and I think challenging time in his career. And he was sad not to have felt he could finish the work that he was started there. But I think very proud of the work that he did. And so I think he'd be very honored to receive this award. And I'm very pleased to accept it on his behalf. So thank you.
We thank you, and you have our deepest condolences on your loss. Your husband was a remarkable man, and we will all miss him.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. And now I will turn it over to Dr. Walter Smith Jr., Chair of Casey Family Programs Board of Trustees.